taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith because you don't really know that the floor is not going to give under your feet. The moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandonment. I give myself to you.
There's always one, isn't there? Looks like people have just been dumping shit down there, doesn't it? It's just a little path. Had a brassware out here. There's a big dirty padlock being put on the door.
There's a what?
Big fresh looking padlock being put on the door. It looks like someone's been in, but it's been recently. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's have a little scoot round. Fucking hell, it's overgrown here. It's very overgrown. Might be better off going the other way to get around back.
Yeah, she was out the other way.
Yeah. That's fresh though, that, isn't it?
Yeah, we've just been throwing stuff out of it. Incidentally.
Fire damage round here.
Set it on fire.
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Hmm.
That's really, that smells quite fresh actually.
It looks quite fresh.
What a bloody shame.
Look at this. Well, some outbuildings. We check these outbuildings first. It looks like we're going in anyway, so looks like a lot of stuff from house has been thrown in here. Lots of pictures,
Oh,
just
God.
bits of cases, all sorts.
That's old.
It is, huh?
It's all been thrown in here.
The door's wide open round here, look. Look, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of shit up here as well. But yeah, this looks like it's all come out of the house, doesn't it? That's a 70s cooking book if ever I've seen one. Look at this. Season's greetings.
Look at the photos.
Yeah.
Oh, they're postcards. They're all postcards, yeah.
Oh god, yeah, look. Got old Jesus, yeah.
It's all just been dragged out and dumped.
Dragged
innit?
out and dumped, yeah. I'm guessing that's more furniture out of the house because there's a fridge and stuff over here. Somebody's coming in and out of here on a regular basis. There's too many paths, isn't there? What you got? Can't quite make that date out. It's been all in pencil, that looks. In fact, #11th of May 1968.
What? Look at all this.
This was its
Look at this though.
British Judo Association.
Change of use of dwelling house to dwelling house with office. A map.
There's a lot of old stuff in here.
Oh, look at that. It's got a...
Look at this, love.
What the hell is that?
It's
British
a
School of
judo,
Judo.
judo certificate from '68. Mad. Well, there's not a printer in here, but Jesus, yeah. May 2012.
Remember this was like cooking.
Some gas bills. Yeah, there's a few cooking books knocking about, isn't there? Look at this. Lad.
Yeah, I can see it. These are all like newspaper clippings.
Whoa. Bit of Drambuie. Ooh, that looks nasty. Should have really put my gloves on coming in here. It stinks a bit.
What's a scholar's notebook?
Newspapers 4-year-old. Bit of a mix up, innit? Do with that, yeah. It's alright, it's carried on up road. Trailer bouncing up back of a whatever's towing it. Right. It's got a smell of weed there. I thought I did. Oh.
Has it been completely gutted?
Well, this kitchen area has.
Oh, how sad.
That looks a bit
Yeah,
precarious.
not going upstairs if there isn't upstairs.
No, even just sneezing I think might be a bit risky. Yeah, it's pretty badly fire damage. There's some stuff in this pantry. Look at that old beast. Sorry.
It's right.
Whoa.
What's that?
It's not very thick, let's put it that way.
I want to see what's in the cupboard.
It should be alright. Look at that little cat down there. More old postcards.
Right, whoever this was, like, had a serious collecting thing.
Oh, that's hope it's a bit better out front, because it seems to be at the back where all damage is. Oh, look at this. I feel very fucking flimsy, these floorboards. Stinks, doesn't it?
Yeah. What a shame.
Yeah. And this is out at front, so it's a living room. A little teapot.
I think that's it, isn't it?
I haven't seen any stairs, have you?
I don't think there is an upstairs. I think it's a bungalow.
Ah,
By the looks of.
yeah, I think you're right, to be honest, looking at that. I wouldn't have said so, though, looking at it from outside, out front. Yeah.
No, it is a bungalow, look.
Yeah.
What a shame.
What we got here? It's just a melted drinks bottle. A melted drinks bottle. Fuckers. That's right, padlock's been slapped on front door, but there's obviously not a lot they could have done with this, really, is there? To stop people coming in. I think so, yeah.
It's a shame.